A very warm good morning to my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Babies, today we are going to start a new chapter in English Reader, that is poem 4, and its name is Foreign Lands. Now, before we read, let's know about it. Now, there is a question: have you ever climbed a tree? If you climb a tree, a tall building, or a mountain, you will be able to see many more things than you can see when you are on the ground. It happens when we go on a height, many more things be visible instead of when we be on ground. You may wonder then at how big the world really is. This is experience that the poet shares with us. He also talks about how perhaps we will even see things that grown-ups keeping telling us don't exist. So let's start the poem. First stanza is: up into the cherry tree, who should climb but little me? So the poet says, on a cherry tree I climbed up. And who was that? Who should climb that? I was that. I held the trunk with both my hands. Trunk means, you can say, stem, the big stem of the tree. He said, I held the trunk with both my hands and looked abroad on foreign lands. It means when he climbed up the tree and reached up, then he see many lands, foreign lands, which was not ever seen by him when he was on the ground. Then I saw the next door garden lie. Then he says that he saw a beautiful garden next to that, adorned with flowers before my eye. He said that garden there was many flowers in front of my eyes in that garden, and many pleasant places more, or there were many more pleasant, or you can say beautiful places there that I had never seen before, which then poet says, which I had never seen before. Then I saw the dimpling river passes. Then he says that, and I saw a dimpling river passes. It means dimpling means, you can see here, curved to form indentational like dimples. Okay, indentation like dimples. So then what happened? And be the sky's blue looking glasses, the dusty roads go up and down with people trampling into town. He says that I saw a river, I saw blue skies which look like glass, I saw dusty roads which were going up and down in hills, and I saw people who were in the town. Then if I could find a taller tree, then he says that if I could found a taller tree than this in which he was standing, farther and farther I should see. Then he says that then more things I can see, or more places I could see, or farther places I could see, to where the grown-up river sleeps. Then he says that then I could see that where that river goes on into the sea among the ships. Then I could have seen that the river which goes into the sea among the ships, I would have been able to see. Then to where the roads on either hand land onwards into fairyland, where all the children dine at 5 and all the playthings come alive. So babies, this poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Now who is that? That Robert Louis Stevenson was a Scottish novelist and travel writer. He's also the writer of famous books Treasure Island, Kidnapped, and The Stranger Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. So that's all for today. Now what you have to do, you have to write these new words which we call word meanings in your classwork copy. Okay, then also write 8 lines of poem in your copy. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye and stay home. Bye.